Now here is how you can update the Google Meet on the iPhone. So let me show you how it works, and if you're new to Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. Okay, so the Google Meet is naturally an app which you are supposed to download onto your device. But once you have it on your phone, in order to get the latest version of the app, it's a good idea to get inside of the App Store, right? So the App Store is the place you get all of your apps like this. And even though you already have the app downloaded, you can still look it up inside in here. And if there is an update available, you'll see an update button next to it. So you can see that I can re-download it again because it wasn't part of my phone for a while. But if you have it on your phone and there is an update available, you'll be able to see it right in here. So that's a good idea all the time. Just go to the App Store and see if some of your apps don't have updates available, right? Because you can see that if I just show you some random app like this, just go to Google or something, you can see that there is update available for plenty of different apps which I might want to use. And as I say, you have to do the same thing for the Google Meet as well. But once you have it, you can get inside and start using it normally. Of course, you are now using the built-in version of that, right? And the point is that essentially you can see that if you don't have some of the accounts stored in there or something, it could also be caused by the different Google account being signed in here. So in the top right, you can see I'm signed in with this Google account, but I can switch it to a different one. I can literally add another account and just sign in to some different one. And this is going to give me different things, right? So a lot of people mean updating their Google Meet because they don't see the history of calls or something else, but it is simply attached to a different Google account, so that could also solve the issue for you. So I hope that I was able to explain it. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below. I'm gonna wrap it up, and I'll see you in the next videos as well.